Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Good morning. So, guys. Wow. The sun here is very nice. It's not that humid, but it's very nice. I like the weather. Let's catch this. Go on. Yes, guys. So my plan for today, I'm gonna head to Bramley Mall. Head to the Bramley Mall to get a 1 and 2 outfit for photo shoot / video shoot as well too. So we're on schedule, for everything. Guys, I want to thank you guys so much as well for the love and the support. Thank each and everyone who support this program. But today, guys, I want to help me choose what I should wear. But I'm going to look for something, for the photo shoot and also for the video shoot as well too. So it's going to be. I'm excited for the video shoot. I'm really excited for the video shoot because the idea that the video man have for the video shoot and also the photo shoot, I'm really excited because I'm really working with some professional people, even on the music side as well to the studio sound course, the Wiz and everyone and Satnam. Guys, I'm really excited because these are all professionals that I'm working with. Professional that's been in the Satnam, been in the music game for 30 something years. And also Wiz been in it for like probably 40 something years, and Wiz and the Messenger, group, Wiz as well to win the Juno award. Hello, auntie. You take up my bag?
No, where you leave it?
Oh, it was right on the.
We're going to get it.
Is it open?
The door inside?
Yeah. So auntie is here. So the Junior Award, he's won the Junior Award as well for the producer of the year, and then now the Messenger, the band, win so many awards already. So I'm really working with some professional people. Trust me, top professionals. And I feel good, I can work with them, so everything can literally rub off, and I can learn so much from them. So much, and the quality of music as well to the quality of the music. Like, I'm amazed, that I could literally get to that point in life that I'm getting this quality that you guys gonna also hear, So bear in mind if you see a next side of me that you guys are used to, but you'll get used to the music side of me, different from the charity work. So everything is going hand in hand, same way, but boy, the sun is hot. I'm ready for the road. I'm going to the mall, so let's go see what I can get to put on, for my photo shoot and everything. So let's see. Yeah. So just reach out Bramley City. Is it Bramley City Mall? So just reach out Bramley Mall. We are gonna literally show something good guys. But here the sun is hot. The sun is out, but everyone is out shopping as well too. So I guess everyone glad for this summer break because everyone is out here glad for the summer break. Trust me. Everyone is out for the summer break. Take us, so it's called the Bramley City Center. So we're here right now. Yeah. Busy, it's busy. So I'm here with Auntie, I show me the ropes. You know. City Center. Thank you. At least in your cool.
See them start without some cars Forever 21.
Forever 21 is mostly female.
Young people.
Yeah. Yeah, it's mostly.
But H&M, we're gonna damn have men's too.
Okay. Forever 21 guys. So
Pocket them down there.
oh, for,
I think those are
yeah, it's woman.
the kind of men's.
Men's right there.
Ask what it's about. Is it profile in summer or fall or every day?
Huh? I'm gonna go elsewhere.
Yeah.
I know something will catch my eye.
Yeah, no, no. It's time from one.
Yeah. Let me see. Forever 21 is not for much of much things. Nothing much in there. So keep looking around. Same way. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's inside of guess. Guess what's inside. So guess what's inside. Hello.
You don't want that. You're maybe too silky for the weather. But
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. That's the way. I'm sure.
It's what?
Yeah. So guys, so here I got this shirt. Tell me what you think. I'm hearing guess. So I like this shirt to go with a khaki pant. So let me show you the fit. See?
Did you get a chance to try it on?
Yeah.
We look nice.
It look nice, right?
Try it on.
Yeah. So, what size pants is this?
I've been looking at this.
Here, let me see.
Oh.
What size do you usually wear, sir?
32.
This is a 34.
The length or the waist?
32.
The waist is 32?
The waist is 34.
Oh, the one waist 32. You have 32 in the waist? Waist small, so let me try on that shirt then.
You love that.
Yeah, we like
So
the
you're
shirt.
gonna wear a white t-shirt inside and just open up the front.
No, vest.
A vest.
Like this, like something like this.
Sir,
Yeah, that's something.
you could do these pants as well. These ones are more structured,
Yeah.
and since they have like a different stitch,
Yeah.
I think they will look better with that one. Check. And try. Why don't you try this waist 30? Because I don't think
Yeah,
you have
waist 30, yeah.
32. Try these ones. Try these ones.
That 30, right?
Yeah.
That's the right one. That, you know what I want with that white shoe, white trainers. You guys got the trainers? You look at the trainers, white
running
sneakers.
shoe. But you have one.
Yeah.
But I have to take it to Dixie Mart. Is that fit? It's too big.
Yeah, that one, take it. That's how they.
Try it on with the pants and then
This
see
is
how
the
you like
pants.
it.
Alright,
Go
let me
ahead.
try the pants.
Vlogger?
Yeah. So look guys,
From
so
Jamaica.
yeah. So the shirt is alright, but this is too baggy. You know my jeans they have to be.
Can you grab him these cargos? It says we should have a 30 by 32.
Should show the foot.
It's called the Russell cargo here.
They don't make those like that.
They don't make those like-
Those kind.
30 by 32. Okay, so the cargos that you were looking at earlier, I
Yeah.
just asked her to grab a size 30. Try that on and then see how you like them.
What, the pants?
No, not the same ones, like a different one.
Same color?
Yeah, same color. The ones that you were looking at before?
Yeah, yeah.
Those ones. Okay.
Alright then, yeah. So, and I like this, I like the fit, but it just need to fit. If I was in Jamaica and I would just go to the tailor, and the tailor does fix things, you know? So, see,
Fire shades on. See?
see, this thing guys, we the shoot for the shoot. See that? Woo! Yeah, I like that fit here. I like the shirt. What do you think guys? I like the shirt. Like it, Daddy?
Very nice.
So this is just gonna get a different pants guys. You know,
I would
different
say put the shirt down here and go look for a pants.
for pants, right? Yeah. But the shirt, yeah, I really like the shirt. You can work with this. This is one fit.
You look extra tall now.
Extra tall, right? That's what I'm saying. So, let me go take care of the people them bar clothes.
You look really.
Alright, come start. Come.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Hold it. You're starting now.
Make them see.
Yeah, I got it. So guys, so tell me what you think with this, guys. No, I'm talking to the camera. So I just got a different.
You like the cargos better?
Yeah. So this is a different pants. You know, so ladies, tell me what you think, ladies. You like this? Is this much better?
You like that better, right?
Yeah.
It's slim to fit at the bottom as you like it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it looks good.
Looks good. So I'm gonna do a music video shoot.
Okay.
So I'm looking. So this will be a good
Fit for your music video?
and the yacht.
There? Okay, yes, it will be a nice one.
Yeah.
Looks good on you.
Alright, and the guys them say it looks good. I work with it.
Good? It looks good on you.
Yeah, and
You like it?
yeah, I like it.
I should make a photo, guys.
Eh?
And you get 30% off. that
There you go.
outfit. 30%
Yeah.
off.
So
Well,
guys,
it's just for the pants, but the top is regular price.
Okay. You hear Kino?
yeah. So guys, so tell me what you think about this one.
You don't. Oh no, no.
I think I have 4 minutes left.
I can work with this.
That's why you wouldn't talk because you're
This is for the,
you're on duty.
so this will be for the video shoot. So
Is there anyone you're gonna get for sure so we can put in the system? Yeah, I think you have to put it in manually. Really? Yeah, it's still showing 60. Oh no, it's 25. He gets 25. Yeah, 25, right? It's 25.
$25?
It's 25% off the parents, not
Oh.
25. Okay, one
So it's not 30?
No, it's 25.
together.
Here you are. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we got one suit out the way already. We got one clothes wear out the way already. So let's step in. This is H&M.
If you have a phone number with us, you can enter it in the pin pad for your points. If not,
Oh
worries.
no. Can I still get the points without the phone number?
No, unfortunately, but I can give you a coupon for August.
Okay.
And then because you're spending over 35, Old Navy is gonna do a $5 donation on your behalf, but it doesn't affect your total at all. Okay?
Wow. Look, imagine that I do charity. So I need the donation.
It's so nice to be part of the community.
I'll give you US.
I can only take credit or debit on this register.
Oh, no cash.
Do you want to pay cash?
Yeah.
Do you have cash in yours? Okay, I'll take you on a different register at the end. Bear with me.
I'm paying US. Is that
I
right?
can't take US. I can only take Canadian.
Really?
Canadian cash, yeah. Canadian cash or card?
Alright, then I work with Canadian.
So we're gonna do card or cash still?
Cash.
We'll do cash? Okay, I'm just gonna move you towards the end so I can give you change. And receipt is gonna be in the bag as well as super cash.
Super cash we use during the sale.
It's for to use during August. So if you come back towards the end of August, for every 50 you spend, you get extra 20 off.
That means winter clothes coming out.
So it will be coming out by August.
We need the summer clothes. Not the winter one, we need the summer
clothes
one.
you gotta come shop at the end of winter for. We're always early in retail, always. Okay, enjoy the rest of your
Alright, take care. Alright guys, so I got some wares. Never got everything that I wanted. You know, so I'll probably have to try another shopping mall. Maybe because the summer is early, so it's not everything is out. I was literally looking for a red shirt, and I cannot see no red shirt. It's more like pure tropical types of shirts I'm seeing, you know. And so I have to try somewhere else. Definitely for sure. You know, exactly. Alright guys, so literally left Bramley Mall, so I'm here in Trinity Mall. So I'm gonna look around. Trinity Mall is a really big mall as well too, so I'm gonna walk and look around a bit and then see if my eyes catch anything at all. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so guys, so also I needed to get a red shirt. So let me try on the red shirt. So I'm back in Trinity Mall in another guest store. So hold on. So let me fix this up and then this is what I want. This red shirt. The red shirt fit me good. This red shirt, so this red shirt will go with something else, you know. So this is also is either for the photo shoot or the video shoot. So the video man is gonna choose you know, what is for the photo shoot and what is for the video shoot. So you see, music is a thing where, trust me. So tell me what you think. So this can work. Yeah, that is red shirt. I'm saying I need a red shirt also. So this can work. I'll work with this. No problem. Cheers! 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 So I got that red shirt. Definitely got that red shirt because I like it. That kind of also goes as well too as one of the fit. I need to get a jeans pants or trousers now before I call it a day. So get Marshall Susie share. Guys, I'm gonna be totally honest. You really think you can get lost in a mall like this? You don't know how to exit back, which direction to go? Just to be honest, because I got dropped off inside of here, I don't know the direction to get out. Because when I was coming into this Trinity Mall, I was down on my phone, you know, so I'm confused. But I'm gonna walk to the end of the mall where I can see the main road, where I can know where the turning comes from. I never believed that this could happen. This is a big mall. Trinity Mall is big. I never knew it was this big. Imagine I was here the last time, but I didn't know it was literally this big. This Trinity Mall is big. Yes, sir. It's big, so yeah, what I'm going to do, so I'm just gonna run into Marshall's real quick and then try to figure my way back out. Yeah, try to figure my way back out. I never know this mall was this big. Trinity Mall. It's really, really big, I'm not lying. Big. Alright, so I finish, get some of the stuff them that I wanted. Finish, got some of them. So it's out to get out here right now. You know, which direction to get out, go towards Seaside Circle. Seaside Circle. Which way did I came in? Which way did I came in? That's what them say. When you're on the road, you have to pay attention. So I know it wasn't that way. That's the Starbucks. Oh my days. Which way did I came in? There's so much different entrance as well too. So you know what? I need to find where the gas station is. That's the mark. Where the gas station will be the mark. The gas station will be the mark. Where the gas station is, I guess that's the main road from the highway. Right, so that's the main road from the highway. The highway is coming from that way. And you come around. So maybe it's this way, I think. Let me see. Excuse me, boss. Hello, excuse me. The gas station. Which way is the gas station?
Down the street that way for the south one.
That way?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. So I can go this way, right? Alright, thanks. So it's this way, so I was right because the highway comes and you do a right. So it's beyond this building. So maybe I come in from, no, not this direction. There's another one. Let me see. That's why them said you must pay attention whenever you're on the road driving, especially when you're new to the place. So okay, there's the gas station. There is it. There is it. There is it. I found it. I found it. So, Shoppers. That's the drugstore. I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. But bear in mind, we never drive this way because there's a barrier. So maybe when we come in, we'll go around there. So that's what happened. Yeah. But this is a big elevator shopping mall. Very big shopping mall. Very, very big. You know. So you see, you cannot lose once you ask for direction. You know. There's no way you can lose, even though some people can lead into the wrong direction. You know. You can meet somebody and ask them for a direction and not in a good mood, having a bad day, and they're sending you somewhere totally. Alright, so we came in from down there. Yeah, we came in from down there. Not here. Yeah, we came in from down that side. Alright, so to understand this road, so I have to look left for cars coming my way, and right is the opposite direction. Hey, this road is woo. It's the difficulty of understanding the road as well. So yes, I am on my path now, so I am good. I am good. I am on my path now. So all is well. Good. So next time I will pay attention. I won't be looking down in my phone whenever I'm going somewhere. So that won't happen again. No way. So I am on my path. I am on my journey. I am on my goal. That's what I did now. So this neighborhood here, there's a lot of Asians live here. So much. It's like it's an Asian town. A lot. In every house that you see, there's a lot of them. Trust me. This is a Mustang. Mustang?
Yeah.
Hey, heavy man.
Good, bro.
I like it. I like it. What year is this?
It's 2016.
2016. Okay. Wow. I am a vlogger from Jamaica.
Okay.
Here's my camera.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So this, how quick is it?
Goes, I think, 0.5 or 0.6 to 60 miles.
Yeah? You race?
No.
Show cars. This I like it. It's heavy. Big up, my bro. From Jamaica. You're from?
India.
India.
India, same.
All India. I got a friend in India. What's India like? Should I go to India to visit?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah? Is it nice over there?
Yes, North India.
North India. What's the food like? I like Indian food. You know, but the street food, is the street food good?
Yeah, you can try here also.
Yeah. Where's the spot? Because I haven't tried any.
Right here.
Over there?
The Trinity Mall. The Trinity Mall. Brats restaurant.
What's the name of it?
Brats.
So, what should I try?
What's chicken?
Oh, I don't eat chicken. I'm pescatarian.
A new term.
Yeah, no. Well, that's when you eat fish. They call it pescatarian, not vegetarian. So, is there anything veggie I should try?
Fish pakora.
Fish
Fish pakora.
pakora.
Yeah. You can try it on pizza. Pizza point or pizza to go?
Pizza to go.
Yeah.
Alright.
See you.
Alright then. Big up, man. See you, man.
Play volleyball.
Volleyball?
Yeah.
I play football.
Oh, nice.
I'm a soccer player.
Yeah.
Yeah. And cricket. I also play cricket.
Cricket?
Yeah.
Let's play cricket.
I'm good. I'm looking for sixes. Alright, man. Alright, guys. So, loads of Indian. Hello. So I guess I should try some Indian vegetarian food. Like Indian, there's loads of them around here. Yeah. It was a long day today, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. You know, so I haven't been anywhere as yet, cause as you can see, I just came. So there's loads of spots I'm gonna be touching, you know, loads of people I'm gonna be linking up with, but I just want to get all of this photo shoot, studio, you know, all them works out the way, then I can know what I got to do after the time I got to spare, you know. So I know a lot of people contact me for me to link up, but because I'm trying to get these stuff done, then I can freely freelance and do what I want to do, you know. So stay tuned, guys. So blessed love. So stay tuned for all the surprises and surprises and surprises, all the things that's gonna unfold on Kino life in Jamaica. You know, trust me, half the story haven't been told, you know. So I like to make things happen so you can say, well, go on, you know what I mean. So here we are in Brampton, heading home to relax all of this walking. Oh, well, guys, you know, welcome. It's a wonderful day here in Brampton, you know, Canada, and I'm here with Tony, you know, and wifey Angie over there. So, you know, it's Tony and Angie kitchen, right?
Yeah, man.
We get it right, you know. So, but the way they cooking in the kitchen today, we actually got fruits, you know. We actually got fruits today, and I welcome and I thank them so much, you know, guys. So look on this. The man just tell me, say that pumpkin, I will see, even pumpkin, this
Watermelon.
this melon so sweet, but here I got no seed. So, yeah, I heard I say, yo, this can't plant back, you know, but you know, we're gonna make it work. And we have cherry. A cherry look like, we call it here, some mini apples.
Yeah, man.
And we have grape and blueberries. Wow. And are you farm them here?
Oh, sir, buy them.
I buy them, you know the farming thing. Alright, let me rest them back down. Alright, guys, so I want to thank Tony so much, you know, because the man knows that he's a man like my fruits, so he bring me on fruits. Auntie! I'm going to take care about my shoes. I like how you have slippers, you can just go in and just rest it. Auntie, let him rest that down for me, please.
So you can come.
Yeah, come on. So yes, guys, so we're literally gonna, you know, make a run on the road. You know the thing goes with I'm here, so we have to, you know. So guys, I'm not literally sure. I think I was gonna do a meet and greet. So I don't know. I would do individual link up, same way, and nothing wrong. We can do individual link up. We can link up. We can cook a pot. We can run a barbecue. You know, but we can do that. You know, there's nothing wrong with doing that, you know, because I don't think I will do the meet and greet, but individual link up, I literally definitely can do that. Nothing wrong. So ready, my general? Alright. Going for alright, then drive with the big man. Drive with the big man. Say man himself, Tony, last time we saw each other was in Treasure Beach. Yeah.
Treasure Beach. I was just there. I was just there having breakfast. All of a sudden, I see Kino walk right up. You know, like
just like
what's the odd that happened? You know.
And when I came to studio as well too.
Yeah.
You know, but imagine that at that time, I literally came back from Canada. Remember?
Yes.
So you would have missed that trip there as well too.
You can leave and go Jamaica right then, yeah.
Yeah, because I said the Melissa the kind of damage you as well too, right? Yeah. So and I went down there for studio. We have someone else on the hello.
This is my
that's my daughter.
Jada.
Oh, hello Jada. She flagging as well too?
That's our camera she have.
Okay. Yeah, so it's good to be here, you know, fun part of your land.
Yeah, man.
You know, a second home, right? Because it's not the first home.
Second home.
Second home. So what are our plans today now, Tony?
We'll head downtown, you know. We'll go down on the waterfront.
Alright.
And we're probably gonna jump on a boat and go somewhere, you know. We'll see what going on.
Wow, that sound fun. That sound like something which could be in my music video.
Yeah.
You know. That sound like something should be in the music video.
Yes,
so what kind of boat is that we're jumping on?
We'll see what going on. A lot of boat down there always do trips and things, you know.
Okay.
Probably gonna circle around the island and, you know, there's an island over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think I heard about that as well, you know, with the island and thing. Because tomorrow I got a photo shoot, so it's a good thing we're making the link from today.
Yeah.
As well, because tomorrow I got the photo shoot as well, and then after we're gonna have a video shoot. You know, so like this trip is merely about music.
Yeah.
As well, team.
Okay,
so we're gonna put in some music word. You know, because a lot of people don't know of me on that side.
Okay.
You know, but that's what I used to do before.
Yeah.
You know, them days. So they're gonna see what I go on. So guys, so stay tuned. We're heading downtown. You know, Toronto, right?
Yeah, man, downtown Toronto.
So what do you think about Brampton? You rather Brampton or Toronto?
No, man. I don't rather none of them.
None of them.
But rather the east end.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So what's so special about the east end?
Quiet.
Oh, it's quiet?
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So that means that it's quiet, you don't really see nobody on the road?
Yes.
It's just
but it's just...
It's a smaller suburb place where you just go and people leave the city, go there and live out that side, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you actually have more places you can go to?
Oh, yeah.
Like, you know? You have more events and stuff you can do.
Yes, man, a lot of things. It's just similar to Brampton here, you know? Just similar, but it's just on the other side, the east side. Same thing.
Yeah, because Brampton is quiet still. It's very quiet. Different from Toronto.
Yeah, man. Toronto.
I like Toronto vibes, you know?
Toronto is a place, but, you know?
It's like a Kingston.
I just think Brampton is a little bit too busy for me.
Yeah, Brampton?
Yes, it's just too busy.
No, really? I never see that. You think Brampton busy?
Yeah.
I think downtown Toronto is busy.
Toronto is busy.
Remind me of Kingston.
Yeah.
You know,
every downtown here is always busy, so.
Yeah. I like it down there still. So in the festival going on?
Lots of them going on, man. Oh my gosh, there's so much. This time is the time for it, you know?
Yeah, Caravan
are coming up. A lot of activities.
That one definitely I'm gonna.
Trust me, you have to go to Caravan.
Yeah. You're gonna be there as well?
Yeah, I'm gonna. I have seen some people coming down from Cayman. And I'll land the same day, so I'm gonna go airport.
Oh, thanks.
I have to go airport, but pick them up.
Oh,
so we'll probably just go airport and then go straight there, you know?
Straight there.
Yeah. And then the next day, you know, I'm having a fish fry at my gates. So maybe that's something you go if you don't have no plans.
Yeah. How much is that?
The 2nd of August.
Okay. So that's the day after the Caravan is the first, right?
Yeah. It's always the first Saturday in August, see? The Caravan.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Yeah.
So well, guys, over here, Andre and Tony, you know, there's no cooking today in the kitchen. You know, so no cooking at all now, go on.
You know what happened, Kino, why no cooking?
Yeah.
Because we just come off a 36-hour shift, non-stop cooking, you know? And last night later finish it. And we decided we're not going today, we're not up in today, you know?
Yeah. So it's a relax then.
Just a relax today.
Well,
on the way down here, I've been getting called, you guys not open? Yeah, I'm like, sometimes you just have to, you know?
Yeah.
I didn't reach home till after 1 last night. I'm tired, you know?
Definitely need to come pass through the kitchen door. Yeah.
You see colors, you come and check me one time?
Yeah. Definitely need to pass through the kitchen there. So guys, I'm saying you can check out Tony and Angie's kitchen, you know, on YouTube, you know. So tell them exactly what's the name of the channel and the spelling of it so they can go over and check it.
Yeah man, it's just Tony and Angie's Kitchen, TONY, and then the and then Angie ANGIE
Yeah.
kitchen. All right. So just over there, guys, and just give us the support. Give us the
So what kind of content they can expect over there? Like,
well, we do mostly cooking and a lot of traveling. We do a lot of traveling on it too. Like when we go out, we always go test out food and stuff, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they can literally learn something from the kitchen.
Oh yeah. Yeah, man.
You can learn to cook from the kitchen. If you're not that good, perfectly can cook, you can learn something from the kitchen, you know. What is special you have over there?
Well, we do all kind of different things. Because we don't specialize in one kind of food. We do all kind of food. We do Chinese food. We do
okay.
Yeah, man. We do Canadian. We do Jamaican. We do everything. We'll make a quick stop up here, so.
Yeah, that China food, you know. But can you imagine, you know, when Jamaican cook China food, China is supposed to feel that way, you know. The way Jamaican are spice that, you know, it's like a well nice, you know.
It's Chinese food with a kick.
With a kick, right?
And Kino, you know, so we're doing the Color Smith coming up. We're doing a meet and greet with him, eh?
Okay.
Me and Angie, we're bringing him up and doing our thing. So.
Oh, when is that?
That's gonna be August 8th.
Okay.
August 8th. It's a nice gala banquet hall settings, you know, nice.
Okay.
So it's gonna be very, very nice, you know.
Yeah. I'm gonna miss that trip there.
You're gonna miss it there.
Yeah.
That's why I was asking you when you're going back, you know.
I wanna go miss me. I know me have to go back to do the back to school treat.
Yeah.
You know, I got that to go and do. So you know the work I have to go and put in same way, guys. So you know, at least short and spicy, so I make fun of everything that I can do right now.
Angie, where's Kennedy Road?
You know, so guys, so we're heading downtown, so you're gonna see where I go on. So blessed love. Peace. So we are downtown Toronto. Waterfront today right now, though. Toronto Harbour waterfront. So we're literally at the waterfront downtown right now. They made a boat taxi. Not like them building here. Can you imagine that new skyscraper building that they're building as well too? Some high building. So this is the water taxi as well to current the water. Hey, if you follow that sun, you'll burn you up, you know. I can literally feel it from far already. If you literally follow that sun, you'll burn you up, trust me. Jesus.
We was rent them for the day and go ride around, you know.
So this is basically called the harbour front then.
Yeah, we'll go further down.
Over here you actually have water when you swim, you know?
Yeah man, the beach, some of the beach is nice, you know.
Yeah.
There's a big beach down from here, so you know, we down there, so big beach, eh?
Proper beach.
Yeah man, you go down in your shack, man. We will drive after we're done, yeah, so.
Water cold though.
Huh?
The water cold.
Water cold. People be at night, man. All when we're gonna be here, Saturday. Huh? Is it here?
So guys, so basically we're going to make us.
You want to go across the island or you want to go to the boat?
This is what summer is like here in Toronto. The Western Harbour Castle. Right here. Yo, them billionaire when you walk and you look up, it's like you have a headache. Because the way those buildings high. So, you know, I get a lot of calls say, I got a lot of calls so that I'm in everyone's stamping ground. So is this your stamping ground as well too? All them buildings there. Lovely. The yacht.
Yeah. They have party boat. They have boat cruise on, yeah?
Yeah.
What are them park about them? If you want to really make it go to higher it and go, have sound system on it and food and...
Yeah, there was.
It's got party. Alright, so guys, so this is literally called the boardwalk. Yeah, right next to here on the waterfront. They're calling this the boardwalk. So obviously if you're from Canada you must already know about this, but for others that don't know about this boardwalk, so I guess walks all the way out, and these are the boats and that you get to go out over the island. I guess the island is over there. Angie, is that the island over there, right?
Yeah, the island that's across there.
Okay, so that's the island over there. The whole island. Separate from
here, and then you also have the island airport right here too. So it's convenient for those who are traveling from down here. If they're going like to Edmonton or Saskatchewan or Montreal, you'll get your flights from down here.
Okay. Okay, literally you can see the planes and for real.
Right. And you do have people that live on the island over there. So they take the water taxis back and forth.
Okay. So how far this boardwalk go to?
Far.
Okay, so a very long walk on this
Very
stretch.
long walk on this trip.
So you come like the 9 Mile Beach.
Something like that.
Yeah, so it's the Nickel Beach walking. Was it 9 Mile Beach? A 9 mile? 7 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the 7 miles walk. Like the Nickel Beach.
Yeah, but it's only board.
It's pure board.
No sand, people.
Yeah. No, son. Hey. Go and chilling out at the park. You know, say the summer don't last long over a year, you know. So if you don't make use of your summer, you have to make use of the summer while you're in these countries, because trust me, summer is short, winter is longer. You know, 1 month of winter alone feel like say you have faced the winter for 1 year. You know, that's how winter is down here.
That's an actual convenience store on the water. Yeah. It's just like a little mini bar.
Oh.
Mini convenience.
Right over there.
See, like you've got flowers on there. And
So you have a little boat that takes you there, right?
Yeah.
Look for it as well. It's even sell ice.
Yeah.
Actually sell ice.
Or you can take a swim.
Hey, water is green. So this look look. Huh?
Oh, I didn't see that. I'll take a video when I go on there. At first I see that Kino.
Yeah.
A convenience store in
You know what I
water.
mean? It's not the Pelican bar.
Pelican bar.
That is definitely not the Pelican bar at all. That's the Toronto bar out there, you know. Man, actually go there and swim. Them literally should have the boat go across where you can literally walk, go over there. So it seems like you have to wait till you get a boat and then go over there. I use a kayak. So that's the convenience store over there. So it's like a liquor replica of the Pelican bar. You know, but
what is it? A convenience store in the middle of the water. That's it all.
okay.
I have power truck. I guess we have a boat taxi where they pull up there and you come and buy whatever you need. Still don't talk guys walking around. I want their 500.
Eagle party boats. So here is the party boat. So we're gonna party on the boat. We're gonna party. We are gonna party, yeah. Party, yeah. We are gonna party, yeah. See the boat there large.
It's crazy,
People really enjoying the summer, trust me. Watch them skateboarder. That one there's a motor one. This is the motor one. People sitting down enjoying their dinner, lunch, brunch. You know, you go looking on the beautiful downtown Toronto, the harbour side, the waterfront. Oh, so actually the boat finished now, we're concrete. Yes. So the boat finished now, we're on the concrete. Oh, over the side there.
A restaurant, brother.
I not tell you, man. These businesses can't go wrong. Especially when it comes to summer. Soccer United. So that's actually like a little playground. Oh, sir. Man with a rainbow fan. Oh, sir. Man with a rainbow fan. Representing. Are we actually doing this? I play football or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to do this one?
What's this one?
So 60 minutes.
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
How to go out there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man, nothing wrong. Which one
Wait
you going
time,
on?
wait time, you know. Walk here, walk here.
Basically,
I have guys on
doing the cruise. So yeah guys, we're going on the shore boat. You know, it's gonna take you a tour around the harbour and all of that. So that's what's gonna happen on this one. Just a little tour around the place and come back. Then with Tony and Angie, you know, we're gonna rock the boat. We gonna rock the boat, rock the boat. Anytime I say anything with football, my skin always scratch me. Why? I don't think I will ever retire from football. I don't think I will ever retire from football. Because anything I say with football is like my skin scratch me. Like, Jaja, I don't know. Can't retire from football. No. Yeah, just that my love for the football and the music. So, all aboard. Thank you. All aboard. So we have downstairs. Going upstairs. Top shelf. Top shelf thing. Okay.
You going downstairs?
You going downstairs? Upstairs is full already. Upstairs is full already. Huh? I don't want to sit down. She want to go downstairs.
You want to go downstairs or you have to be up here?
Guys, up here is full already. Trust me. Well full, so as you can see, the boat are rock. The boat rocking. They have a little bar as well. So this come like people in a class. I mean, unruly, so you have a bar right here. And like everyone in the class sitting down. Like, hey, I want to meet people, you know, them discipline, you know. Oh, in front of the boat. So this is where the captain is. The captain is not there. Sorry, let me just go past, please. Thank you. Oh, the captain reached it. This is a rock already. So here's the captain station. There's no captain. The captain is gone. He come like we have to go sail a boat in a tour. Where you say?
Go sailing, yes?
Yes, man. Where you say? All aboard? All aboard. Since we don't have the, what you call the captain, I will be the captain for the day. Since no captain is good. All aboard. We don't got no captains for today, so guys, so I guess I will be the captain today. There is no captain, so please put on your seat belts. You have a seat belt on board? Please, well, please put on your seat belt if you don't have a life jacket. You know, and we're going from Toronto, making a quick stop to Kingston, back to Outreos, and we're back here at the harbor within 1 hour. No, sir.
You don't know you see that?
Yeah, the captain is not here, so
take over, eh?
Take over for the minute, you know?
Yeah.
Take over for a minute. Back at the front. Yeah. So actually I have to go downstairs then. Eh?
She don't like coffee, but we have still.
Okay.
Each jacket is also equipped with a whistle. This will allow you to draw attention to yourself in the water, much like Rose and Titanic. So in the back, you'll see like a white kind of bin there. It has a life jacket symbol on it. That is where the life jackets are, so please don't sit on them. So So you'll also throughout the tour, you'll see me glancing down at my notes every now and then. We're going to go through our beautiful harbor front today, and I'm going to point out some really cool things.
Alright, so we have.
So I have a question. Who's a local? Who's a local? Okay. All right, a few locals. So notice how I say Toronto. Toronto. Exactly. So we do not pronounce the T in the middle of Toronto. So you can always tell who's a local and who is just visiting based on how they say Toronto. So if you want to sound more like a local, say Toronto. We also have a great view of the Rogers Center right over here, formerly known as the Sky Dome. This opened in June 1989, and this building has a fully retractable motorized roof, so it opens and closes in about 20 minutes, and it only costs about $10 in electricity, and that allows them to pay the salaries of our baseball players. So construction on the Sky Dome took about 2.5 years, and it cost around $600 million.
This was the tallest building for 30 years.
In the world, yeah.
In the world for 30 years.
And then 2007, Dubai built one that's taller than it.
Yeah,
there's one in Malaysia that's taller than it. So it's still the third tallest in the world.
Yeah. The CN Tower.
We also have the Canada Malting Silence.
CN Tower. But basically, you see where that next the smaller round, not the top. Is that where people go as well too?
Yeah, people go up there. I think you have to pay extra for going there.
Okay.
It's 114 floor, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
114 floor.
So at the time when I went on it, I went to the first part.
So the great side
The first row.
used to be entirely made of wood, and they frequently caught fire.
So how high is Empire State Building?
Empire State Building, I think 19 something.
Yeah.
Not all like that.
In a tall like that.
As we make our way around, we are making our way to Billy Bishop Airport. It is a small island airport, and it offers scenic flights and connections to destinations across Canada and the United States. It's often referred to as Toronto Island Airport, and it first opened in 1939. Also, this is typically where we get a lot of wind, so if you're wearing a hat, please hold on to it.
So you have a little mini airport over there.
So this is named after the Canadian World War I flying ace, Billy Bishop, and World War II Air Marshal. It is now known as Canada's 9th busiest airport, and in 2019 it served 2.8 million passengers. So because this airport is so close to the condominiums in the city, they have a curfew, so no flights after 11 p.m. or before 6 a.m. And you'll
Not gonna
notice
stop anywhere.
They look a lot smaller than the commercial flights that we are so used to. Because this airport is so tiny, the planes also have to be a little tiny. Also, let's play a game of how many flying contracts we can interrupt Farrah during the tour. Usually it's about 6. So while we won't be able to see more inland of these islands, you'll still be able to see people biking, walking, just enjoying their time. But the island is a great place to spend time with family, and it's a great place to kind of be a little bit more with nature because, of course, Toronto is a concrete jungle, and here is nice soils for them.
Yeah, so they go there. Everyone I tried working, so I'm
Okay, so we just finished the boat ride. It was a good experience. You know, nice and cruisy. Cruisy. You know, when I say cruisy, nice and cruisy. Relaxing, so you know the thing goes. So I make a little walk around, see where. I never know Canada have beach, so I go pass through the beach. So they say, you know, because there's beach about the place. So we're gonna pass through the beach and so I go on. You know, scenery. Imagine this guy. This is the cooling mist. When you walk through this, it cool you down. Yes, sir. I don't know what they make this without what they put in this. Me not go to that. Cooling mist. Everybody are cool down because it's when it's hot, it cool you down. Me not go tonight. I shall stay right here so I look what I go on. Me not trust them thing here. Me not trust. See that? Okay, it's like AC. It's like AC. Oops. No, I'm not good. You know I'm very skeptic, you know, guys, so I'm not going into that. So this is a cooling mist. You can feel it from here. Literally cools you down. Like an AC. Like an AC. Cooling mist. So you feel cooler now?
You know when you're
No.
Oh, wet up.
Feel cooler.
Yeah, what?
And then I get back hot now. So Toronto is something else. Toronto is something else. Yeah. The cooling mist. It's like an AC. I don't know where them use bit less though.
We didn't give them a bicycle, they give
Everything. If them get everything. Well. So guys, so we're down by the beach. What kind of beach them call it? Toronto Beach?
Woodbine Beach.
Woodbine. So this is the Woodbine Beach. Oh, I never expected Canada have beach. You know, when them say cold country, they really have beach, but boy, this one surprised me. You literally got sun.
Yeah.
You literally got sun. Trust me. So you can see it's a sunny day. So people is out. People is out here at the beach. So over there you have the food truck as well too. Beaches and cream. Not peaches and cream, it's beaches and cream. Everyone come out, come have a little fun here.
Walk the board.
Oh, this come like alright. Just like England, you have Margate.
You don't go half on it yet, you know, brother.
Well, just like England, you have Margate Beach still. So I shouldn't be surprised. They also have Margate Beach and Brighton Beach, also in the UK.
One of them, and all the way go down here. All of the city them, like you have Pickering Beach, you have Oshawa Beach, you have Whitby Beach, you have all of them go down.
Okay.
People are cooking. They can cook down here still on there. They can cook down here.
Can you bring him?
So you can bring in your portable.
Yeah. Okay.
You know the camping one?
Yeah.
You can bring it on.
Burger that them have fun that you can bet this burger. So the man with the film photo the one as well there. Some kebab.
No, but him more.
We can't walk out, you know. I walk so far out there. The water there far, you know.
Hey, the water there far though.
Yeah, man.
But the water wasn't this far though, Tony.
No, I never used to do that far.
Tide gone in. Okay, you can see that it never so far out.
But all that people land over there, that's neither. It was all flat.
Lord.
Wet shoes in the sun, yeah.
So this is the brown sand, not the white one. So basically, well, obviously, no through summer, so the tide literally
Draw out.
Yeah.
I can't see the water today, so you know, so it's wet.
Right, yes, I do.
Yeah.
Let me get in.
It used to be so far out. I have too much liquor to drink.
You see with them glasses there and too.
Walk out to the water, guys. See how the quality of the water.
This ain't Miami Beach. This is Toronto Beach. Woodbine. Toronto Beach. Yeah. This is the Woodbine Toronto Beach. And trust me guys, the sun is scorching, but everybody's making use of the sun. People in the water enough, man.
I'll go check for the water and see if they can. People are just swimming.
Oh. Alright, so this beach, look at the water. People actually enjoying themselves. No. It's not a cold.
No, it's not that cold.
Oh, see there?
No, you see like the river water, like when you go to the river?
Yeah.
Same thing.
So Toronto have them beach, man. You don't have to go to Jamaica to go beach.
So they have the river, you know, they have cooking out the water.
What, river or lake? Yeah.
Missing child, last seen towards edge.
Yeah.
Right at the river, yes. Nice one.
Yeah.
Right now Brampton is there too.
Na Brampton?
No, cool, you can't cool. It's not that dirty neither.
No. It's not that dirty. It's alright. Trust me, it's alright.
So we ever come in just for seeing it?
Yeah.
Man, I was going far, but not bad.
It's definitely swimmable.
Yeah, man. The way you look, man, up here.
Definitely swimmable though. Alright guys, well, so you know, that was it, you know, that was it for today, you know. Boy, I'm not like, the sun burned me, the sun scorched me today. The sun really scorched me, you know, but I really had a good time, you know. Big up to Tony and Angie's Kitchen, you know, thank him so much, you know, for giving me that experience, you know, for so I go on the other side in a downtown, you know. So big up yourself, Tony and Angie, you know, thank you so much. Nothing but love and love. So you know the thing go, guys. So blessed love. So remember, if you're watching and you haven't liked the video, please always remember to give the video a thumbs up. You know, the sun is still out. So you know the thing of blessed love and peace. Dream team, one team. Kino life in Toronto. Well, Canada. Kino life in Canada. So blessed love.
Watch I know, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.